guys, it's gonna be a chrome delete from the Tacoma TRD. So I have this. This comes in a pack. It have some sort of sticker or glues. You just gotta peel it off and just go on the top, right on the top of it. So let me put it out and I will see you how that goes. This is the after result. Like where you can peel it off this tape. Nice and easy, don't rush it. And it will come up like that, as you see. This is how it looked like after leather insert and chrome delete. This is the side decal. Still got a lot to come. I will do a product after review after 2 months or months, that how it kind of hold it up. Still gotta do the chrome delete over here from at least the outside and stay